everybody. Today we're going to do a strawberry dump cake. Silly me. I only remembered that it took 1 can of pie filling. So remember this, when you do this recipe you need to do 2. But I'm just going to go ahead and go with it. It's just going to be a little bit more cake than fruit. And the next time I'll try to do it the right way. There's tons of different variations to this that you could do. But I just decided to go with strawberry. So I'm going to spread it out. You would need 2 21-ounce cans. Okay, so you need to set your fruit aside and mix up the next portion of your recipe. So you need 1 white cake mix and 1 stick of unsalted butter melted. Okay, and you need to stir this together, and it's going to be crumbly, so it's not going to be like a batter. Okay, and if you have any really big chunks or whatever, you need to kind of break those up. And I think it's going to be fine. And I just mixed it together with my just regular old spoon. Okay. Now, move this over. So we're going to put this back. And we're going to try our best to spread this out without making a mess. But I'm pretty certain I'm just going to have to drop it because of the way it is. It's very dry. I've never made one of these, so I'm not really sure what to expect. So I'm kind of just pinching it off, putting it in different places. So you can just break this up. It is called a dump cake, but it's more like a crumb cake, if anything. I would say it's probably going to be very similar to like a peach cobbler, a homemade peach cobbler, with the soft kind of topping. Alright, now put this off there. Bake it for 30 minutes or until the sides are hot and bubbly. And I will see you back here in 30 minutes. Okay, this cake did pretty good without the extra can of pie filling. I probably next time will definitely use the extra because it just made the cake thicker, I guess. But it still did fine, and 30 minutes and it was brown, ready to take out the oven. Okay, y'all, be sure to like and subscribe. See you next time.